This video introduces you to creating toolpaths in the CAM environment in Fusion 360. So to get started, you'll open a Fusion design and then create toolpath from that design. You have to specify a name, and this will then load the CAM environment for Fusion and then load that design that was active. The first thing you'll typically do is create a setup. So this allows you to select the geometry you're going to work with and set your stock size. You can also set the X, Y, and Z direction by clicking points. After you've created your setup, you can start creating operations. So the first thing I'll do is create a facing operation, and you'll see this pattern in all the operations. You'll select a tool. So I have a library of tools to select from. Then I'll select the geometry. After that, you'll specify parameters to fine-tune the operation. So I want each pass to extend 5 millimeters past my stock. And then the toolpath is calculated. And I can repeat that process. So now I need a clearing operation. I'll select the tool. So I'm going to, in this case, select a tool that's similar to what I need, and then click New. All right, so I need a 25 millimeter flute length, so I can make that change. Click OK, and then select the tool. Now I need to select, first I'm going to change my feeds and speeds, so I need to change my spindle speed and my feed rate. Now I select my geometry, so I'll click the edge to tell it what I'm clearing out. Click OK, and it calculates the toolpath. All right, so I've repeated that process for all the operations to create this design. So now I can go ahead and simulate my setup. So you see all the paths that I've created. I want to, in this case, I want to show my stock as I run my simulation. I'll rewind and click play. And what you'll see is it'll play the operations in the order they're listed in the browser. So there's my facing operation, then it starts the clearing operation, and I've sped up the video here so that we're not spending a lot of time watching this. So that's my clearing operation. It does my pocket. So there's multiple passes required to create the pocket. Then you'll see that it will bore, drill, and tap the holes. All right, so I've seen what the setup looks like when it actually runs. Now I'm going to post-process. So I'll select the machine, click Post, and this generates my G-code that's required to actually run the setup. So that's just a quick introduction to how to set up toolpaths in Fusion 360. If you're looking for more detail, you can look to the videos and content in the help area.